All right. So here's a selfish video for a marketing project that's coming out. That at Turkey Toe Retreat, we're going to be, the whole marketing that we're working out behind the scenes is it's been 40 years in the making, and we're working to build a similar house like this that we're going to hope to do in 4 days. And the reality is that's not how it works in life and in construction. And you have devastating days when our friends call and say, our cabin burned down. And you have magical days like this picture when Lindsay, my wife's best friend, I got to come up here and be part of their wedding. And those were the magic memories that at Turkey Toe we're marketing it as the fourth place. And in life, as you learn how to go by, that we've done a few projects, and sometimes I say some of the days can be long, but boy, the years are short when I think about Matt and Lindsay's wedding. And as we're embarking on doing one of these projects for ourselves at a retreat center, I came in here and saw this picture in the corner, and it's hard to keep it together because I'm the leader of the fourth place. And what I mean by that at Turkey Toe, this came from Matt McMullen, who was the executive director, and he was the architect for this project. And a couple weeks ago, I was showing him the new website for Turkey Toe. He goes, Devon, when I was there last year, I didn't get it. And now seeing the website, I get Turkey Toe. He's like, you've created this new thing called the fourth place. And we had this whole conversation about 4D. And 4D is 4 dimensions of trying to figure out dimensionalizing how a place will feel. And so at Turkey Toe, the fourth place, what we mean by that is your first place is your home. And everybody, that's where you live. That's where you have to get grounded. And everybody's second place is where they make a living or where they work. And everybody's third place is whatever is special to them. And we're honored to say this is Matt and Lindsay's third place. But sometimes you get to go and have memories and friendships like Matt and Lindsay, where you go to places that you might call the fourth place. And we've got to experience time here with them to kind of have this be our fourth place. And it's pretty cool to me. There's their family photo at Turkey Toe that I think they'd say the same. So this is what, when we say capturing your mountain views, that is so cool. And so at the end of the day, my call to action, wherever you're at listening to this, how do you get past and have as much fun as possible to have your third place and call others your fourth place? And I hope that's for you, maybe, if you come join us at Turkey Toe.